Here's how you can find your Facebook profile user ID. First, you need to go ahead and launch any web browser on your device. Then go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now open a new tab and then simply write lookup-id.com. Hit enter in your keyboard to search for it, and you'll be taken to this kind of interface and enter your Facebook profile URL. For that, you need to open your profile on Facebook. Now simply copy the Facebook URL from the top of the screen. Go to this website and paste it over here. Then tap on Look Up, which is highlighted in yellow color. The specific number that is displayed on the screen in red color is your Facebook user ID. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.